So hello everyone, this is Accar TechUg as usual. So into this video I'm going to show you how you can get to use the split screen view on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So with this feature you can literally use two applications at a go and you won't experience any kind of lagging. Remember, all phones that have access to this feature, they have 4 GB of RAM and above. So let me show you how it's done. Just tap onto the three lines icon over there in the bottom left corner. Once you're done, let's say we want to use YouTube Studio with another application. So all you need to do is to tap on the icon of YouTube Studio, then open in split screen view. So YouTube Studio will open in split screen view, and choose over here, down here on the other section. You can then get to choose another application. Let's say there is a video that you have in YouTube Studio, but you wanna like get to copy, let's say the description of the video within the Notes application, for example. You will just get to tap into it like this. Then you can do copy the entire document